Advanced Air Mobility, or AAM, is NASA's vision for transforming the entire air transportation system. And the idea is that it will be safer, that it'll be incredibly accessible, that we'll be using it for many more things than we do today, and that it will really be affordable for everybody. And one area of innovation that advanced air mobility is going to impact is in emergency response. And the way that AAM is going to aid in the disaster response is by helping the first responders themselves. And so right now, being a first responder is incredibly risky. And so actually giving them ways to offload that risk to these air vehicles is really important to safely rescue people, either by moving the people themselves or leading them out of disaster zones, getting supplies into these hard to reach areas, especially once the infrastructure has disappeared, or even setting up infrastructure, helping to bring in communications and the materials we need for that. That's huge. Anytime we can really give the first responders those tools so that they can help us really, much more safely for them, that's an incredibly rewarding part of NASA's mission.